radius of curvature is 30 centimeters. So in front of this mirror, we are keeping the object at different places. We are going to find out the image on this screen. The screen mirror, the light on the screen.
Now, at 10th class, we are learning Telugu medium. This is called Uttaka Latmanu Upakala Sahara. This is the object. Get the object. The distance from the mirror. And take the screen. And arrange the screen in front of the mirror. When we are arranging the screen, here doesn't form any image. When we are getting and adjust the screen in front of the mirror, gets the sharp image it takes place. As you see here on the screen, you are able to see a clear image on the screen. It is the inward image. That means the object is there. Candlelight image we found on the screen is the reverse image, that is called an inverted image. So if I have kept here, we are doesn't able to see it. When I am adjusting here, we are able to see sharp image on the screen by the concave mirror.
హెల్మెట్ వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు పట్టిక ఉండేది, పట్టి వస్తాను తర్వాత కరెక్ట్గా పడాలా నిలబడి వెంటబడాలా ఉండేది. అదే
We see the place of this, again the image is going to form another.
If for suppose comment and change the object place, you should not able to see image on the screen. After we are adjusting that, from the conclusion, the concave mirror should be forms the different type of images when we have kept the object in the different places. Okay? Object in different places లో పెడితే ఇమేజ్ కూడా different places లో పాప్ అవుతుంది. కొన్నిసార్లు చిన్నగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, కొన్నిసార్లు ఏమో పెద్దగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. This is image
And one more thing, if we keep this image near to this is the concave mirror, we are not going to find the image anywhere. If you see in this, we are going to observe enlarged image. These mirrors are used by dentists. వాళ్ళకి దగ్గర పెట్టు ఇమేజ్ అనేది దగ్గర చూసి ఉన్న మిర్రర్
కూడా అదే మైక్రో అని మన వీటిలో ఉండే డీటెయిల్స్ ఏదైతే అది చిన్నది కదా అవ్వడం కదా దాంట్లో పోవాలంటే అది చక్కగా చేసి చూపించారు ఎలా చేసి చూపించారు పైగా ప్రారంభించారు. And madam, you will see that we have a number of papers are there. You are making any experiment with the acids and bases, we are getting a different color. That is the effort of the chemistry. Now the special of the chemistry. Chemistry మాత్రం ల్యాబ్ చేయడంలో డిగ్రీలో కూడా మనం అవే ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు వస్తుంది. But compulsory you also say to all the students compulsory take the precautions when they go to the lab.
already here we did madam. This is the green color. Brown color. This is the pink color. This is the pink color. What is that actually? This is normal water. We tested this with universal indicator. pH indicator. This pH indicator value is 7.0. So the color is green color. Any object in appears green color by the universal indicator is neutralizing substance. Doesn't have chemical, doesn't have basic. And here this is the acid. You are taking acid and we use methyl oil. Methyl oil is not very colorless. Methyl oil and that is the base. In the base methyl oil is mixed with the yellow color. Now this is also base. This is also base only. Okay. Base is turns phenolphthalein into the pink color. Phenolphthalein into the pink color by doing being like a segment, we can easily center of gravity. These are the NASA.
ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా ఉపయోగించుకునే విషయాలు చెప్తేనే ఉపయోగం ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్